Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Vashawn Jones. I know it's early in the morning here in the United States on the East Coast, and I apologize if this notification of me going live has disturbed you, but I'm actually running late, though I'm up early. It's almost 5 o'clock. I've been up since 4, and I'm recording this on my main personal Facebook page, but I'm doing it for my company, but also to help other individuals that either know someone with a disability, be it blind or cognitive or physical, or just want the information for themselves. And the information is all about social media. And I've been having lots of discussions about social media and its effect on the kids these days. These kids that are out here doing these stupid things for likes and attention. And so I want to start with this. It doesn't matter how many followers you got, right? Uh,
Mail.
Leslie,
Guardian Angel reading. 2008.
every time I get it right, sorry, I had the other computer up. I'm sorry, Leslie. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. It does not matter how many likes you get. It doesn't matter how many people see your posts, right? So many people get wound up in the fact that I only have, and they started off, only have, 400 followers. What does that even mean? So, check it out. If you have something to say or sell that is meaningful, in your opinion, to other people in the world, then you need to be on social media. It's darn near a free form of advertisement and marketing that we've never had before in life. Think about it. In order to reach thousands of people, 10 years ago, we had to send something in the mail, hope that they opened it up, and that was called mass marketing. Now I can sit here in my robe, and that's the reason why hopefully you're looking at the other side of the room in the camera angle, and record this. And I have both something to say and something to sell. And guess what? If you're on social media and you're not saying anything important and you're not selling anything, you're the product. They're selling you. They're selling the fact that you do have followers, and they need to, and when I say they, I'm talking about the social media platform owners, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google Plus, all that good stuff. So you're the product. If you're not selling your product, if you're not saying anything meaningful outside of what you had to eat for dinner on yesterday, then you're the product. And I'm just being 1,000% honest with you. So I'm gonna do a training on Instagram for the disabled, but for anyone who wants it. And one of the questions that came in from Leslie, who hates when voiceover starts to talk and it interrupts the recording like it just did. But Leslie is a longtime friend of the firm, has some great stuff that she's going to be selling, and a great story to finish telling. And it's one of the reasons why I love working with her. We figured out what she really wants to do with her art, and it's going to be a phenomenal production. But she wants to know what's the difference between Instagram and Twitter. And so the first thing is all of these are tools. Facebook is a tool. LinkedIn is a tool. YouTube is a tool. Twitter is a tool. Instagram, so on and so forth, is a tool. And you got to use the right tool for the right job. And so for me, um, Twitter is for, character text like links, and, you want to tweet a blog, you want to share a link to something. And yes, you can add photos, they have that. And then their video platform, just like Facebook, is called Periscope. And so you can do everything that one platform does on another. They just name it different things, and it works in a different way. But Instagram is, from the cinematographer's perspective, all about video and photos, adding captions to photos that's snazzy. Nobody even uses that word anymore. Snazzy. Yeah, that's jazzed up. Put filters on it, make it look all crazy or make yourself look like something you don't look like and all that. That's why I sit here in my robe, baby, just as authentic, transparent, black, and ugly as ever. But I'm not ugly, so sorry for lying to you. I apologize. I apologize. And so Instagram is, all about the videography, the photography, and you can do the same things with Twitter. Just, Twitter's been around longer. Periscope is owned by Twitter. Facebook owns Instagram. And so when you're on Instagram, you're on Facebook. And they're all tools. And, you shoot live video just like I'm doing now on Instagram. You shoot live video just like you do on Periscope. You send out a link to your people on Instagram. You send out a link to the people on Twitter. But there is a difference. And the big difference is, where is your audience? And I would pick two social media platforms and master them inside and out. That's effective for you. If Twitter is not for you, LinkedIn maybe. If LinkedIn is not it, then master YouTube, master Facebook. But pick two. It's like a combo meal at Applebee's, baby. You got the pick two and you got the pick three. A brother like me, I just pick them all. I take them all and master them, because somebody's going to say, hey, Vashawn, how do I XYZ on XYZ? And I have to know it all. And so our followers kind of expand the gambit of, that's another old word. I just love it because it's not gambit. It's gamut. Yeah, yeah. Take that. Take that. So that was the question. And in that, I guess it was all the answers for Frequently Asked Questions Friday on Instagram. What is it? How do I use it? So we're giving away another $100 to anyone who follows us. Not any. Oh Lord, I'm tripping. Scratch that. We're giving away. What is that? October, like the last Friday in September. That's what it is. Last Friday in September, we're giving away $100 to the individual whose name is pulled out of the hat. And all you got to do is follow us at Fedora Outlier LLC, FEDORA OUTLIER LLC on Instagram. If you do not have an Instagram account, go ahead and create one. It's the wave of the future. It's not going anywhere. So if you don't have one, you're scared of it, go ahead and grab it. It's not going to hurt you. It's what you do with the tool that matters, right? And so if it's a tool and it's free, it seems like you would want to have a free tool. And then if you don't know how to use it, look out for our free Instagram training. No need to have Instagram training if you don't have Instagram. As my third grade teacher, Miss Frank, said, that failed me, you catch my drift. As the Migos say, ya dig. So listen, good morning. Let's change the world. Let's change the world using Instagram and other tools. And more importantly, let's change the world together.